Hi there, my name is Tommy Gieling. I'm from the Netherlands. I reside in Finland at the moment. I'm a world traveler ever since birth. I'm a full-time session musician, multi-instrumentalist, singer-songwriter, record producer and concert producer. Since about a year now, I've been injured on my arm and haven't been able to produce as much music as I like and make as much money as I normally used to. And so through marketing and research for affiliate marketing and e-commerce and self-development videos and all of that stuff, I was targeted by what now is my good friend and fellow Dutchie SFM colleague Ingeborg Braas, and brought me into SFM, the SFM group tribe, and I'm so thankful that she did. I'm so thankful that I clicked on that advertisement, because it truly has changed my life, and not only for in the financial way, where what I initially wanted to join SFM for, but also I soon realized that the SFM is so much more than just that. It's a huge community of like-minded people that truly care for what you do, and how you do it, and how to help you, and not be harsh, but just be honest, and what's the best thing that might be that you might be overlooking. The community is one of the biggest assets, I think, in the SFM. It truly brings with it a huge ball of love, compassion, care, support, community support, and putting a mirror in front of you, so it very quickly brings you to your own senses and to your own truth and to your own reality, to build you up to that person that you want to become, and also hold you accountable, and you also hold other people accountable. That's also very important, to give that support back. So I'm delighted to have pressed on that one ad of Ingeborg, and I wanted to thank you, Ingeborg, for walking me through the steps and bringing me into SFM, a truly life-changing experience. Thank you so much, Ingeborg. Have a wonderful one, everybody. All the way from Finland, greetings, warm greetings. Bye.